niya to Pangasinan, di ba?
Sino ba kumanta nun?
Sino nga ba kumanta nun? Last 2 minutes of the ball game. Si Jamie Foxx ba? As Jasper Salemca scores.
Jamie Foxx? Di ko alam eh. Huwag ka na magalit. Di ko alam.
Baka alam ni Andrea. Baka panahon niya yun.
Oo nga. Kailangan bigyan niya tayo ng sagot.
Alam mo yung nasa dulo ng dila ko na pero hindi ko maisip kung sino talaga kumanta.
Google na yan.
Mamaya, sige, sa Spotify. Etong tanong ko sa iyo, Coach Mike. Sino yung mga predicted winners mo sa slam dunk contest as a 3-point shootout? Shot clock violation na tinawag laban sa Bacolod.
Na-post na ba yung final list? Kasi hindi man kasali? Ba't hindi ko pa nakikita eh?
Wag muna. Hindi pa nire-reveal eh. Pero hindi eh. Sa mga SOCMED ng mga teams, nag-release na sila eh.
Talaga?
Like, I saw from Batangas, pinost na nila, no? Si Philip Panyamogan will be part of the 3-point shootout.
Hindi ba si Gravera for Quezon? Is he joining? Oh, that's a foul.
Sa dunk contest? I'm not sure. Basta alam ko si Joe Gomez de Leaño will defend this ground.
Oh, yes.
That's Ordan Wamar.
Yes.
Si Ordan Wamar, 2-time champion yun, ha? Sa 3-point shootout.
Yes.
77 seconds remaining. Well, sige. Di pa naman nilalabas yung listahan. Pero, who would you like to see in the slam dunk contest and in the 3-point shootout? As the basket will go in for JC Adjei plus a foul.
Well, definitely Joe to defend his title.
Okay.
Poyak 2.
Boy. Sino pa?
There's a lot.
Sa 3-point shootout, sino?
Sa Nueva Ecija ba, sino?
Hindi ko pa alam eh. Honestly, may binigay na listahan. Hindi ko na maalala. Hindi pa nila nare-release eh. Yeah, pero hindi, theoretically lang. Kung wari di natin alam.
Theoretically.
Sino yung gusto mong mapabilang doon?
Christian Manaytay?
Sa dunk contest?
Yes.
Okay. But there are some, I'm not saying he is, there are some guys who are better in-game dunkers.
Right? Like Christian Manaytay, di ba?
But make no mistake about it, his dunk was probably the dunk of the season.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I feel like it's not even close.
Yes.
Di ba?
Grabe naman. At saka grabe rin pagkakabitaw ni Jose Delf doon eh, di ba?
Oo. Ang feeling ko, nagulat pa nga siya. It came out of nowhere. It wasn't even onto the fast break. It was during a pick and roll situation. Tapos biglang ganun eh.
Oh.
And I'm sorry, Miles Cañal, you're still here.
Well, he had one when we were covering in Nueva Ecija, pero ibang klase talaga yung kay Miles eh.
Oo.
That was a tough one.
Ang impressive doon, si Miles Cañal, matinding shot blocker yun.
Agree.
At matangkad. And he climbed the ladder to slam that one home over Miles Cañal. That was the impressive part about that.
Kanye West.
Kanye West ba?
All of the lights.
Oo nga.
Diba? Galing talaga ni Google.
Ginugel mo?
Oo. Hindi ko na matiis eh. Wala sumasagot eh.
Pasay will notch their 17th victory. And that's very important, keeping in step with teams like Pampanga, Caloocan, and Pangasinan, Coach Mike.
Yeah, and this is their 7th straight win. This is a 7-game win streak. They're 7-0 in their last 7 games. The last time that they lost was against Jensan when they lost just by 6 points, and really just cements their position